battens at an external corner must consist of one 38 by 75mm batten and one 38 by 100mm batten. Both battens must be covered with a waterproof strip along the full length of the front faces. The Cedral Click external corner profile must then be positioned, levelled and fixed onto both battens. When Cedral Click planks are fixed, ensure a uniform 3mm gap is left between the edge of the plank and the profile to allow for thermal expansion within the structure. Continue to fix the planks around the corner, ensuring the levels between planks are consistent.